Hello, and welcome. Let me ask you, do you dread shot day or injection day, as I call it? Do you experience nausea, bloating, fatigue, or just those dreadful restroom issues? Or are you just trying to avoid those things? Well, let me tell you what most people don't know. Most people don't know that 80% of those side effects are avoidable. 80%. Today, I'm sharing 10 things you can do before you even take your shot to make things more manageable. So let's just jump right into it. Number one, hydrate. Drink that water. Aim for 20 to 80 ounces of water the day before you even take your injection. So if your injection is like me, I'm taking my injection on a Friday, then I need to make sure that I am getting that water in Thursday. I don't want to wait until Friday and start drinking. You want to drink before. Hopefully you've been doing this all week long. But whatever your injection day, hydration is what's going to reduce your nausea, headaches if you're having those, fatigue, bloating, and constipation. Remember, constipation, you're going to need water to get things going. Being hydrated is going to reduce all those things when your medication peaks. So let's drink up. Number two, eat a protein-packed dinner the night before. Again, this is what to do before your injection. Did you think that was important? So skip the greasy foods, and I'm a testament to that. So instead, what are we going to do? Choose lean protein and veggies. That's going to stabilize our blood sugar and help with digestion until the medication kicks in. So the day before, eat that protein. Number three, lower your fiber intake 12 to 24 hours before. Now, did you think I was going to say that? Lower the fiber. Okay, so let me tell you why. Too much fiber plus GLP-1, it slows digestion. So you're going to be bloated. That's what's going to bring that bloating on. So you got to keep your fiber moderate the day before to prevent any discomfort on dose day. If you're not sure what that number should be to reduce it down to, talk to your doctor, your healthcare professional, contact the pharmacy if you don't have a doctor, but get some medical advice on this. Number four, prep bland, easy to digest meals in advance. So you might be saying, why should I do that? If you wake up nauseous, you're going to be thanking me for this. You want to have some meals on hand or some little things you could grab on hand. So when you are nauseous, you will have something to grab. Let's focus on the protein, but I'm going to tell you some other things. So think eggs, yogurt, chicken broth, bone broth, rice, mashed potatoes. And this is where a shake is going to come in handy. One of those protein shakes. Try to find a protein shake that has 20 to 30 grams of protein in it to get the most protein you can. But that is going to help you if you're feeling nauseous. Try those things. Let me know how it works out for you. Or if you have anything else that works, a protocol or something you're doing that works, drop a comment in the comment section and let us know. Number five, take a gentle magnesium supplement the night before. It helps with constipation and it smooths digestion. You can take magnesium glycinate or citrate. I prefer the glycinate. I'll put on the screen the one I use. Number six, get a full night of sleep. Need I say more? Poor sleep is going to make being nauseous, having cravings, being irritable, and your fatigue. It's going to make it 10 times worse on the GLP-1. So get that sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. That magic number is somewhere in the middle. That's the 8 hours. Number seven, move your body earlier in the day. So you want to get moving throughout that day so you're ready for your injection. A light walk gets your digestion going before the medication slows everything down. It's just as simple as that. Now, I had to put on my glasses. Something was in my eye. If you don't already have a routine where you're already exercising, I would just make this simple for yourself. So after you eat that meal, take a 10-minute walk, and that's going to help you get things moving. Number eight, schedule a low-stress day. Now, for some of us, including myself, that might be a little bit of a challenge, but avoid heavy chores like lifting, avoid back-to-back meetings if you can, maybe not travel around this time you're taking your injection. Stress is going to magnify any side effects you have. We already know that. So stress is going to make everything worse. So the more you can minimize it, the better off your injection day will be. Number nine, Pre-measure your water and electrolytes. Okay, so I love this one because you guys know if you've been following my journey, I love some electrolytes and my favorite electrolyte of choice. And I've tried all the different ones, not all, but most. That if you're thinking of one, I probably tried it already. But I love Element and watermelon. Now, this is going to reduce being dizzy, fatigue, and dehydration. And one of the things I noticed right away when I started taking this medication is that I was going to the restroom. I was going to the restroom often. And when you go to the restroom often, you're depleting the water. You have to replenish it. So you replenish it by drinking more. Do you need fancy electrolytes? No, you do not. You find something that works for you. If you feel like you are tired, if you're feeling muscle cramps or anything like that, I'm telling you, the electrolytes is going to help. Now, I would talk to your doctor because electrolytes have salt. Some are saltier than others. And you want to make sure that you are able to take electrolytes. So if you have kidney issues or things going on with your blood pressure, definitely consult a doctor. Finally, number 10, and I think you're going to love this, have a survival comfort kit. Let's call it a comfort kit. So have a comfort kit ready to go. This is just going to prepare you for anything that comes your way on injection day. How about that? Anything that comes your way on shot day. Anything that comes your way on shot day. What are we going to put in this comfort kit? Let's put some ginger chews. Let's put some mint tea, a heating pad. Oh, that heating pad is going to be helpful, especially if you're having back pain. And then I know a lot of people say they get cold taking these injections. So that's something else. You could have a heating pad, a heating blanket, cracker, a small little protein snack, Tylenol, AirPods, so you can listen to your favorite music. Just get a little kit ready to go. So it's going to help you with the nausea, the constipation. It's going to help you with the stress level, the stress of it all. We're going to bring down that stress and have a little kit ready to go. You want to have that kit handy so you don't have to search the house and go in different rooms for different things. You just want to have it all there, handy dandy, ready to go. So with that said, if you follow these things, you should have an easy breezy, maybe not easy breezy, but you should have a better experience with your injections. I want you to leave a comment and let me know which ones do you need to work on and which ones do you have down. I'm looking forward to hearing from you in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I go live and upload a video. I notice some people subscribe, but then they don't get the notifications, and then they realize I never hit that notification bell. I am currently live on Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So if you are free on a Wednesday, please come and hang out with me, the Downsizing Diva and the Downsizing Diva family. We learn, we grow, we celebrate, we support, we do all those things. If you are someone who wants more privacy, more support, but you don't want to be on YouTube as much, join my Downsizing Diva GLP-1 and Beyond Inner Circle. We have an awesome group of women that are supporting each other on our health journey. If you want to be a part of that, we would love to have you. Check the link in my description and come and join us. Also, I want you to check out the link for my Stand Store. It's also in the description. And in my Stand Store, I have some tools and guides and resources to help you on your GLP-1 journey. Most importantly, I want you to take great care of yourself. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Just don't quit.